Da 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 knock, baby. Da Nang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang. Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang. Vietnam. That's where you
Okay, this is part of the University of Danang right here. And like there's more of it behind me as well. Don't even know how to begin to explore this, but we're just gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then I think we're gonna just start walking around and try to get a feel for this University of Danang area and what's around it. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street, it's going to be there. Let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. Okay, well, let's go this way. Let's start going this way, I guess. It's like a sports facility here. I think that's also part of the university. I think we're just going to walk down. There's a Loteria restaurant. It's kind of interesting. I didn't really know about this neighborhood. I went to another University of Foreign Studies of Danang, and it was smaller. This looks like a much bigger area. It's kind of interwoven into the city, but I'm basing this on very limited information at the moment. So the alleys. But yeah, that's Danang University right there. It says a big sign in green. Danang. Danang is university. I'm mispronouncing it, I'm sure. Okay, let's try to navigate through this. These streets are kind of nice over here, actually. Some Danang streets, there's a lot of stuff to try to get through. There's a Loteria. So, okay. Let's see what cross street we're at. Huh, okay. It's kind of an interesting area. Let's just keep on walking across. We got the green light. Loteria. As far as I know, the university, it's not so clear, but I think that's also part of it too. It says medical center, pharmacy, school of something in pharmacy, medical center. Loteria. I don't see any street signs. Oh, there we go. There's a street sign over there called Les Douanes. I'm gonna try to go over to that side. Loteria is a, it's all over Korea. They got it in Japan as well. So we're in Duẩn. I think there's a Popeyes straight down that way as well. Nice buildings right there. I had somebody behind me, they were looking at the camera to see the angles that I'm doing. So I gave them a thumbs up and kind of laughed because kind of interesting. Check out that up there at the top. Somebody's space. So we're gonna keep on walking through. Yeah, this is kind of nice. Still getting to know. It's a barber shop here. Let me see. That says Danang Fine Arts. Huh. Okay. It's actually a department store. Kind of curious. May walk in there. Just want to check it out real quick. Oh. There's like a Louisiana kitchen over there. Looks like they're building something here. It's a hotel right here, GA Luxury. I'm gonna walk down this way, and then we're gonna see if we can find something interesting. So I did walk, I'm gonna walk further down this way, and then I'll start filming again. Here's something called The Blues. I just went in there. It's like a clothing store. Great name, love it. Now we're back by the university area, School of Medicine and Pharmacy, and I'm just gonna walk. Let's see, there's like a bunch of fashion places, MLB, which I see in Macau and China. Yeah, I just see a little bit of university presence. These look like students. There's even a little ATM bank right there, local bank, BIDV. And I can see some of the bus stop I think the students will take. Okay, this even has the bus routes. It's kind of interesting. There's the airport. You can see how easy that is, the airport. It's got all the flowers coming out of the bus stop there. And I guess this is all the students. It's like that's the entrance. Huh. Okay. Hello. Huh. Okay. So we'll keep on walking. Friendly students. Friendly city. I guess there's another entrance over here, so we'll see that as well. All the students that are parked their bikes. There's part of the entrance right there too. Okay. I guess they can also park inside. That's all the students in there. Okay, University of Danang. Right there. Huh. Pretty cool. Okay, let's keep on walking. So this is kind of their neighborhood, but I think this university is a little bit spread out. So these are some buildings, but I think there's more all over the place. That might be part of it too. Okay, so that's the other cross street that we're at. Oh, Leloy and La Duan. So you can kind of see the corner there. So we're gonna keep on walking down. So I don't know if that university, I don't know, it might spread out different ways. I think that's one block anyways, and then it's kind of contained around it. We're gonna keep going down our target streets. Let's see what else. Some kind of cool balconies up there. So we're basically just kind of showing different streets. they look like. Give you more an idea of all the different stuff going on in Danang. Let me see. There's a yoga shop, yoga and aerobics. Let's see what's up on the next corner here. Oh, it's like this is a little place you can eat. Chuan Trong. Okay, so anyways, give you a little idea of Danang, variation, different stuff, where the Vietnamese go. Oh, the apartments. Some big beautiful buildings over that way. We'll continue to explore more. I think that's enough for this particular street for now.